product is very lightweight, unrolls easily. And what I was most impressed with was the back is very clean and has a good grip to it. When I laid it down, it only moves if I want it to move. I would definitely recommend this.
Okay, try it. New kitchen mat. It's packaged really nice. Mm-hmm. There we go. Just don't want to cut the mess. It's brown on the one side and black on the top. There we go. Has some good cushion, some okay cushion to it. That's it.
I just opened up my order from Amazon. It's of a kitchen or a bath mat. It has great cushion, and I'm impressed with how much it was rolled. It does lay flat nicely. Love the aspect that it is small enough that if you want to put a rug on top of it to cover it, it would be sufficient, or it does look nice just the way it is. So yes, I would highly recommend this mat for your home.
So it's packaged really tight. It came in this plastic here, and then it is also tabbed. Whee! It was not dirty. I apologize. This is from my counter. And again, a little tab here. That my fingers just need to find. Ooh. Yes, great material. Fantastic material already. All right, let's roll this sucker out and see how it looks.